Hi guys, I just wanted to pop on here for a minute and share something with you that I think you might find interesting. So here we are, almost to the end of another school year, but before crossing the finish line, students must first jump through the hurdles of, guess what? Final exams and those pesky state-mandated exams. I know. Many of these are high-stakes tests. A lot is riding on these scores. Everything from classroom grades to math course placement for the next year, and in some cases, even high school graduation is tied to passing these tests. When students struggle in math, one of the first symptoms is a confidence plummet. Facing those exams with low confidence is a recipe for, well, disaster. If that is making you as a parent nervous, imagine how our students feel. Hi, my name is Sally Krause, former classroom teacher, and since 2015, I have tutored pre-algebra and algebra 1 full-time in my private tutoring business, Simplify It Tutoring. As a result, every single day, I see the consequence of test anxiety and low confidence and how they spiral out of control together. Before you know it, things are just going down and down and down. It's really the perfect storm, unfortunately. But there's hope. What if I told you there was a quick, meltdown-free, very affordable way to help? Would you be interested? I thought so. All right, here's the deal. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, April 20th, 21st, and 22nd, I am offering 3 workshops. Each one is only 45 minutes long. They're all online, and they focus on 3 of the most difficult concepts that pre-algebra students struggle with. You can probably guess what they are based on what you're seeing at home. The first workshop is all about fractions. Just that word seems to make palms sweat, doesn't it? We're going to break it down in a simple way to where they walk away feeling confident with fractions. The second workshop, the next day, will explain a method to solve any equation. You might have looked at homework lately and thought, oh my goodness, is that equation going to launch the space shuttle? How are they going to make sense out of that? Well, this strategy that I'm going to teach will take your student all the way through their high school math career and beyond. This strategy to solving any equation will work for the long term. The third workshop on the third day is the holy grail of concepts. Dun, dun, dun. Word problems. I know. I've had students tell me before that they didn't finish this word problem, and I'll say, well, how far did you get? And I've had students say, I didn't even read it because there were too many words. I really have heard that. So we're gonna start at the beginning and we're gonna pick these things apart until students can look at them and have a strategy. I have 6 proven steps that will take you through any word problem, even those hairy ones. And when you leave the workshop, or when your student leaves the workshop, they're gonna go with a printout that they can have those 6 steps that we've used in that workshop, and they can put them in their binder and use them, maybe not during a test, but they can use them in class and then they'll start to memorize them. And it really, really does break down those word problems into manageable chunks. Each of the workshops is online, like I said, from 6:30 to 7:15 in the evening. And if your student misses a workshop, no worries, because they're going to be recorded, and at the end of the 3 days, I will email you links to all 3 of the workshops. So if you miss one, no problem. Save your spot and attend for only $27. Yep, it's $27 for all 3 workshops. I really want to help these kids conquer these exams. But sign-ups close soon, so click here. And once you do and you register, I will send directions on how to log on, and it's really a simple process. After that, all you need to do is sit back and watch your students' transformation. So the end of the year testing this year will be smooth for a change. Doesn't that sound good? I'm a parent, I get it, it does. Remember, algebra doesn't need to be complicated if we just simplify it. Click on the link below. See you soon.